Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about the battle of the bots, AI versus generative AI. AI is a term used for artificial intelligence in general, but did you know that there were different types of AI? Yeah, normal AI and AI that's going to take over the world. Just kidding. Today we're going to compare two types of bots so you can distinguish between the two. Your friends will wonder how you got so smart. This should be an interesting matchup, so stick around for some antics. Let's get ready to... Oh, sorry, that phrase is trademarked. Pretend you're at a boxing match.
Wow!
Okay, this has got to be the sexiest boxing match I've ever seen. In this corner, we have plain old artificial intelligence, or AI for short. AI has been around for decades and refers to any technology that simulates human intelligence. The goal of AI is to have machines perform tasks that typically require human cognition and decision making. Some common examples of AI we see today are virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, self-driving cars, and programs that can beat humans at games like chess or Jeopardy! While impressive, most current AI technologies are what's known as narrow AI, meaning they can only perform very specific, pre-programmed tasks. In the other corner, we have generative AI, the up-and-coming new kid on the block. Think of it as Gervonta Tank Davis. Wait, who? You know, this guy. Generative AI is a subset of AI that focuses on using machine learning to generate brand new, original content. Sort of. It can help streamline productivity on tasks that can take a human hours, and it spits it out in minutes. Its key ability is to learn patterns from vast datasets and use that knowledge to produce text, images, audio, video, and more. Some popular examples of generative AI include DALL-E, which can create images from text prompts, and ChatGPT, which can generate human-like text on demand. The craziest part is the output can be completely unique, but sometimes it regurgitates or remixes existing information. This makes generative AI extremely versatile and customizable. Unless, of course, it's plotting to take over the world.
What?
Now that you know the difference between the two types of AI, let's move on to round one and compare both of them. Traditional AI has the benefit of decades of research and development. It powers critical technology we rely on daily. In fact, it's in charge of some of humanity's most complex systems. AI helps monitor our telecommunication infrastructure, electrical grids, and air traffic control for maintenance and safety. It's also good at detecting threats and cyber attacks. However, its scope is limited. General AI excels at optimization, prediction, classification, and analysis, but it won't write the next Oscar-winning script. Generative AI, on the other hand, is pioneering new territory in independent content creation. Its imagination and skill with language, images, and media synthesis cannot be matched. But generative AI is still in its early stages. These young models make mistakes, you know, like six-fingered people and made-up information. In other words, you can't use it for your next court case. It can also sometimes produce biased or nonsensical output. So for round one, I'm going to call it a draw. Both have strengths and weaknesses. On to round two. Let's look at the social impact of each AI. Here, traditional AI throws a hook. It has enabled revolutionary technologies that benefit humanity, helping doctors diagnose diseases, improve transportation safety, and optimize supply chains. General AI is evolving more responsibly with ethical considerations in mind. No fake info or stereotypes here. Generative AI, however, brings to light some risks. Its ability to mimic and manufacture content at scale has significant implications for media, art, and even democracy itself.
Wait, are you telling me Midjourney and ChatGPT have an evil master plan?
No, of course not. But people like the governor of Florida, I don't want to name any names, or any other con artist can create media that tricks people into thinking it's real.
So that picture of Trump hugging Fauci wasn't real?
My point exactly. Generative AI kinda needs a babysitter right now. Let's just hope Mr. Pennybags doesn't throw it in jail by adding too many restrictions. The winner? Traditional AI wins this round when it comes to social impact, for now at least. Alright, last round. Let's look towards the future. Traditional AI will continue steadily improving and expanding on its capabilities. However, generative AI represents a monumental leap forward. What's been accomplished in just the past year or two is astounding. Bots like ChatGPT and Midjourney have prompted a bit of obsession from the public. Yes, pun intended. If progress continues accelerating, generative AI could reshape our world in ways not seen since the Industrial Revolution. Nearly every field from science to the arts stands to be transformed. But risks remain around misuse of generative content and potential job displacement. Realistically, AI most likely will take over some of the boring tasks you don't like doing, so you can work on those that you do like. Unless, of course, you are in love with repetitive tasks. As for the winner, the future looks extremely bright for both types of AI. As it grows and changes, AI will continue to play a role in the lives of humans in different ways. AI and generative AI will thrive together, complementing each other's capabilities and enhancing human lives. There's no clear winner here. They both have unique purposes. It's not a Pepsi versus Coke kind of thing. But generative AI's meteoric trajectory gives it the edge as the most exciting space to watch in the years ahead. This technology is developing so rapidly, it's hard to predict exactly where it will go. But the possibilities feel endless, and I can't wait to see where we go next. Let me know which side you're betting on in the comments.